Hey guys, so today I'm sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. By this time, I'm already on my second cup of coffee because I wake up early and so cleaning needs extra coffee. And when I'm cleaning, I like to listen to a podcast. This day I was listening to the Let's Talk About Sex podcast episode from the Rise Together podcast. It has Rachel and Dave Hollis, and if you haven't subscribed to their podcast already, you definitely need to. They're amazing. You also definitely need to check out Rachel's book called Girl, Wash Your Face. I highly recommend it. It's so, so, so good. Also, check out my cute little helper in the back. She's always there to help me put away her dishes and Hunter's bottles and all of that. And then she usually runs off and plays in the living room and watches a movie while I'm cleaning and getting things done around the house. So usually I'll start by putting away the dishes from the night before. I usually like to wash all the dishes at night and then let them dry overnight, and then I'll just put everything else away. And then I like to get all the dishes washed that I wasn't able to get to the night before. Most of the time I wash dishes as I'm making dinner so I have less to do after and I can spend more time with Derek and the kids. But last night we had kind of a lot of dishes, so I washed half and then ran out of room in our dishwasher. I actually just used that as a drying rack, honestly, so I had to wait until this morning until I had some more room to wash the rest of the dishes. A little tip in case you find that you have a hard time getting the motivation or the energy to clean or get things done around the house is to find your favorite stations on Pandora or Spotify or listen to your favorite podcasts. I find that when I have a podcast on or some music playing in the background while I'm trying to clean, I get things done a lot easier and a lot faster because I'm not just dreading having to clean and get things done around the house. I'm actually kind of enjoying my time because I'm listening to something that I enjoy. So lately, the podcast that I've really been liking has been the Rise Together podcast with Dave and Rachel, the Soul in the Raw podcast with Olivia and Crystal, and I recently found another one called the Wealthy Babe podcast with Autumn. So I'll leave those linked down below for you in case you are interested, and then I'll leave a few other recommendations of podcasts that I have found that I really like. But if you haven't tried it already, definitely try turning on some good music, turn it up loud, get excited, get motivated, dance around if you need to, or turn on a podcast and, maybe try calling a friend or calling your sister, your family member, or something like that to help you get a little bit more distracted while you're cleaning so it doesn't feel like such a chore. So once I'm done washing the dishes, I quickly just wipe down the counters. I make kind of a mess when I wash the dishes too and get water kind of all over the place. So I just wipe that down and spray down the rest of the countertops, wipe them down really quick, and then move on to our bedroom. So with our bedroom, it's really easy. We don't spend a lot of time back here except for when we're going to bed, and then we mostly just go to bed and that's it. So it's really easy to clean our room. I start with making our bed every morning, and if you don't do this already, I highly recommend it. If you feel that you are having a hard time getting motivated in the morning to get things done, whether it's organizing or cleaning or just getting through things with your day, try starting with making your bed. Open up your blinds, open up your windows, get some fresh air and some natural light, and make your bed, and I guarantee it'll help you feel a little bit more motivated. It's something that's really helped me, and I highly, highly recommend it. So I'll just get our bed made, clean up the toys or anything that Madeline left, and make sure all the clothes are picked up, and then I also take the time to gather up the laundry so I can start on washing the laundry as well.
Even my Cheshire Cat shirt.
And your Cheshire Cat shirt. Good job.
Do you see my Cheshire Cat shirt?
So Madeline's room is usually pretty clean. We keep all of her shoes next to the wall, Winnie's bed, and then we always make her bed in the morning, and then all of her toys usually go around by her kitchen or in her closet, and then on that side of her little cabinet we have some space for toys and books. So everything in here is usually already done. I do that first thing in the morning because most of her toys are cleaned up at night, and then we just make her bed in the morning. So with laundry, we don't have a designated laundry room in the house, so we just have everything in the garage, and I like to get the laundry done first thing in the morning. That way everything's done before it starts to get hot in the day, because you guys, there's nothing worse than trying to fold and put away hot laundry when it's hot and humid outside too. So I'm just getting the laundry started, and then moving on to the living room, I basically just move things around and pick up a little bit here and there, put the pillows back, and take in any dishes that need to be put in the kitchen. But for the most part, I let Madeline keep her toys in there during the day, and we just put them away at night, because if you're a mom, you know, if you try to pick up toys while they're playing with them, you're going to have to clean up toys about 100 times a day. So yeah, that is about it for my morning cleaning routine. It's pretty easy because I like to get most of it done at night and just do the little things that I wasn't able to get to in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!